Welcome to the fascinating and unique world of the penguin tetra.
Scientifically named Thycaria bulbermacehi, the species originates from South American rivers.
The charming fish belongs to the highly popular Characidae family.
Notice the highly unique head-up oblique swimming posture of the fish.
A beautiful pale yellowish silver coloration covers the entire main body.
A very bold black stripe runs completely along the entire side.
The distinct black stripe curves sharply downward straight into the lower tail fin.
The penguin tetra reaches a maximum size of 7.5 centimeters.
The markings and swimming style make it look exactly like a tiny penguin.
The slightly elongated and slender body shape allows for rapid schooling movement.
Notice the totally clear and unblemished, transparent upper fins, keeping balance.
Always keep the species in a dedicated school of at least 6 individuals.
Schooling together provides immense confidence and prevents severe stress.
The penguin tetra demonstrates a completely peaceful and highly friendly personality.
Hello there. The completely peaceful nature makes the fish ideal for large community setups.
Provide a minimum tank volume of 10 gallons or 38 liters. The highly active schooling fish requires plenty of wide-open horizontal swimming space. Natural driftwood structures provide excellent hiding places and perfect resting spots.
Smooth stone decorations add beautiful natural complexity to the aquatic environment.
Maintain the water temperature steadily between 18 and 28 degrees.
The highly stable tropical water conditions keep the active school entirely healthy.
The highly adaptable fish accepts a wide pH range from 5.8 to 8.5. The fish easily enjoys slightly acidic to completely alkaline freshwater conditions.
Keep the water hardness level carefully balanced between 4 and 8 kh.
The exceptionally hardy species demonstrates a very easy care level for beginners.
The omnivorous fish eagerly accepts high-quality commercial flake food daily.
Small sinking meat pellets provide an excellent and totally balanced daily diet.
Live Daphnia triggers the natural hunting instincts of the highly active fish. Frozen bloodworms provide massive protein boosts for rapid growth and health.
A perfectly plump and healthy belly indicates outstanding long-term dietary wellness.
The energetic schooling group competes playfully and peacefully for floating food items.
During the highly active breeding season, the fish will naturally form pairs.
A separate breeding tank filled with slightly acidic water is highly recommended.
Lipins. The female deposits tiny clear eggs carefully among the fine aquatic plant leaves.
The male fish follows closely to fertilize the eggs immediately after spawning.
Always separate the adult fish entirely to ensure the highest survival rate. The tiny fry hatch incredibly fast, usually within 12 to 15 hours.
Highly specialized microscopic baby food is absolutely essential for the newborn fry.
The juvenile fish slowly starts developing the signature beautiful black stripe.
A totally black background poster makes the silver and black colors visually explode.
The striking schooling behavior brings undeniable dynamic motion to the lush green layout.
The active swimmer thoroughly enjoys swimming directly into a gentle water flow.
During the quiet natural night cycle, the fish rests calmly near the dark gravel.
The morning lights instantly awaken the entirely energetic daily swimming behavior.
A massive weekly water change keeps the aquatic environment perfectly stable and clean.
A sudden slight color fade indicates that the pristine water quality is dropping. The careful fish completely ignores the delicate leaves of expensive aquatic foreground plants.
Insane. The highly cautious fish reacts very quickly to sudden shadows passing overhead.
Confident School always returns quickly to the open central swimming area.
The calm fish interacts entirely peacefully with daily tank maintenance cleaning tools. Flawless breathing relies heavily on a highly oxygenated and absolutely pristine environment. The fish explores the deep corners for entirely undisturbed daytime resting spots.
Current strolls. Color-enhancing LED lighting makes the black and silver markings visually explode.
The thoroughfish occasionally checks crevices in the rock hardscape for hidden food.
The fish avoids extremely bright surface light by swimming in the lower middle zone.
The schooling group establishes a totally peaceful and highly stable social hierarchy.
Natural dried Indian leaves release beneficial health-boosting tannins safely.
Rapid gill plate movement processes the highly oxygenated water entirely continuously.
The large schooling group creates a highly entertaining and dynamic uniform swimming pattern.
The species provides a highly engaging entry point into keeping colorful schooling fish. A slightly thicker body profile perfectly indicates excellent and completely balanced daily nutrition.
Dense clusters of bright green stem plants add immense visual depth perfectly.
The species is an exceptionally unique and highly rewarding pet for beginner keepers.
Notice the highly distinct silver scale pattern covering the entire side flank.
Specialized sinking carnivore pellets are caught mid-water with incredible speed and agility.
Subtle golden iridescence is often visible directly above the bold black line.
The omnivorous school eagerly swarms highly nutritious pieces of blanched zucchini.
A totally clear anal fin stabilizes the lower body entirely during rapid swimming.
The fish serves as the absolute perfect dynamic centerpiece for beginner aquarists.
The penguin tetra demonstrates exactly why the family is universally loved worldwide.
Behold the highly unique and majestic beauty of the incredible penguin tetra.
Like, share, and subscribe for more amazing beginner fish care guides. Hit the bell to join the massive global aquatic fish keeping community.
Do you own the beautiful striped penguin tetra? Tell us below.
The The penguin tetra is a true 5-star addition to any planted biotope.
Thank you for exploring the highly elegant and unique freshwater fish species. See you in the absolute next amazing and exciting aquatic adventure. Stay highly passionate about the incredible and highly rewarding aquarium keeping hobby.
Keep your water highly oxygenated and your premium fish incredibly happy.
Nature provides the absolute best inspiration for any home aquarium setup.
The Aquatic Lie is your ultimate home for everything related to fish keeping.
Always remember to appreciate the unique schooling centerpieces in your beautiful aquarium.
The highly peaceful fish simply ignores the aggressive behavior of other tank mates.
The Aquatic Lie. Happy fish keeping.
A clear, distinct eye with a tiny black pupil continuously scans the water.
The massive schooling group darts in perfect unison, exactly like a flock of birds.
The bold black stripe looks exactly like a graphic design element in motion.
The active fish loves swimming directly through small bubble curtains for playtime.
A highly robust and healthy muscle structure is built specifically for constant swimming. The completely peaceful species coexists perfectly with delicate freshwater dwarf shrimp safely.
The entire school carefully investigates newly introduced pieces of blanched spinach.
A tiny glint of light reflects beautifully off the silver scales during turns.
The fish rests perfectly disguised as a shadow among the tall Vallisneria leaves.
The unique schooling behavior adds essential horizontal movement to tall vertical aquascapes.
Perfectly balanced proportions make the penguin tetra a highly desirable aquarium species.
The natural fish completely ignores artificial decorations, preferring real aquatic plants instead.
The strong swimmer actively exercises by swimming into the canister filter output.
The beautifully delicate mouth structure is perfectly evolved for catching small insects.
The species brings a totally captivating and mesmerizing energy to any beginner tank.
The highly elegant penguin tetra is the ultimate final addition to the ecosystem.